How to build an email list. So building an email list from scratch can be quite a daunting process. The best way to grow your email list is through a lead magnet. So that can be giving away a freebie or an ebook or some video course, just a little incentive what's going to match what your audience are into. So it makes an irresistible offer for them to click, and it's a no-brainer to give them your email, to give them their email, in exchange for the gift what you're going to give them. That is the best way to get someone to sign up for your list. So once you've got your freebie, what you're going to give away, whether it be your PDF, audio file, video course, whatever it could be for them to opt in to give you their email, you need to find the best platform to share this with. So it could be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever you choose. It could be all of them as well. And then once you follow these simple steps, all you got to do is just keep putting content out there. That's the best way to reach people. The more content you have, the more people are going to view your content in the future, and the more your email list is going to grow. So all you got to do is just start, make your lead magnet, get your email marketing platform. I use Market Hero, but whatever you use, just use that, and just start growing your list organically through that method. Or you can pay for advertising, point people to your videos, which leads to your lead magnet, and that's how you start building your email list. It can be a slow process, but you eventually get there, and you'll soon get a big email list with all the content you're putting out there. Cool, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. And make sure you subscribe.